Hi everyone, this is Samidha Hegde. I am interning at LEXIS and Company. I am a third year law student studying in Ramaya College of Law. Today I am going to be explaining you about rule against perpetuity under Transfer of Property Act. So this is a complex topic to understand. It is given under section 14 of the Transfer of Property Act, but I'll try to explain in simple way and in short. So rule against perpetuity basically means something that lasts forever or that is never ending. So rule against perpetuity means that you can transfer property to a certain number of generation or even to an unborn child, but at the end you will have to give a name of the final beneficiary who will be the complete owner of the property. By complete owner or absolute owner, I mean that they have the power to alienate or to transfer the property further. Which means that you cannot make a will which says that this property has to continue in my bloodline. For example, it will go to my child, my grandchild, my great-grandchild, then great-great-grandchild, and so on. You cannot do this. You can, however, even transfer it to an unborn child, but it will. You cannot directly transfer. You will have to create a trust, and once the child attains the age of majority, which is 18 in India, then they will become the owner of the property. Now, why you cannot transfer the property in your own generation is that it will be detrimental to the persons who are using the property, because they cannot sell or transfer the property even if they have urgent need of the money, and this will be detrimental to society because there will be no profit and loss, and only one family will be holding some properties forever. And if some families, and property is a limited resource, and if certain families hold all the property, there will be no circulation of property, and this will also result in no profit and loss. Like I said, that is, only when you sell a property for a higher price will there be a profit, and that is why to prevent this from happening, there is rule against perpetuity. However, there are certain exceptions to this rule. That is, if the property is transferred for benefit of the public, for purpose of religion, knowledge, commerce, health and safety, or any other objects that are beneficial to public. This rule also does not apply where property is purchased or held by a corporation, and this rule does not apply to personal agreements. For example, agreements which do not create any interest in the property, and this rule does not apply to contracts for perpetual renewal of lease, and contract of preemption are also not affected by this rule against perpetuity. Thank you. Hope you liked today's video. If you want to see more such videos, then like, share and subscribe to the channel.